Hi, before continuing further, do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button now. Thank you. Let's continue.
Chess, a journey through time, over 1,500 years of strategy. Chess isn't just a game, it's a global language of strategy that has captivated minds across civilizations. Originating in India around 600 AD as Chaturanga, this game traveled through Persia, the Arab world, and eventually conquered Europe, evolving into the modern chess we know today. Global impact by the numbers, played by over 600 million people worldwide, recognized in 167 countries, official Olympic recognition as a mind sport. Translated into 100 languages. Chess ratings, understanding skill levels. 1. FIDE rating scale. Beginner, unrated to 1000, intermediate, 1000 to 1600, advanced, 1600 to 2000, expert, 2000 to 2200, grandmaster, 2500 and above. 2. Notable milestones. World champion Magnus Carlsen's peak rating is 2882. Highest recorded rating in history. Average club player, 1500. Average tournament player, 1800. The Chess Piece Symphony. Imagine a chessboard as a strategic landscape where each piece is a unique character with its own personality and purpose. 1. Pawns, value, 1 point. The foot soldiers of chess move forward, capture diagonally, unique ability to transform at the end of the board. 2. Knights, value, 3 points. The game's most unpredictable piece, unique L-shaped movement, can jump over other pieces, master of tactical surprises. 3. Bishops, value, 3 points. Diagonal warriors, move across color-matched squares, powerful and open, diagonal-rich positions. 4. Rooks, value, 5 points. Horizontal and vertical powerhouses, control entire lines and rows, critical in endgame strategies. 5. Queen, value, 9 points. The most powerful piece, combines rook and bishop movements, can attack from multiple directions. 6. King, value, infinite. The most crucial piece, limited movement, protecting the king, is the ultimate goal. Chess isn't just a game, it's a microcosm of strategy, planning, and psychological warfare. Each piece has a unique voice, and your job is to conduct this symphony of strategy. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will transform your understanding of chess fundamentals. So, grab your chessboard, open your mind, and let's decode the language of chess together. Are you ready to make your first strategic move?
If you love, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Learn. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.